Hey everyone, it's Mufi. Today I'll draw 4 different animals for kids and toddlers. Let's start drawing. First I will draw the chicken, just like this. I am coming, you will try to do it too. This is how I will sketch the chicken. Who of you loves chicken? I also like it. Comment who has chickens in your house. Now I will draw a cat next to it, just like this. I will sketch the cat. Do you know how the cat calls?
Wow.
Who do you love cats? I really like cats. Oh, my sketch is done.
Wow.
Next I will draw a rabbit below. Sketch it like this.
Wow.
Do you know what the rabbit's favorite food is? Rabbit eats carrot. Yes, my sketch is done. After that I will draw next a snail. Yes, a snail. Let's sketch it like this. Do you know where the snail lives?
Wow.
Snails live especially in the sea. My sketch is done. I will sketch it well again. Now I will start painting. First I will paint the chicken. I will paint the chicken in red, yellow, green, and orange colors. Okay, done. Now I will paint the cat. I will paint the cat with fur color. Its whole body will be orange color. Okay, done. Now I will paint the rabbit. I will paint the rabbit well brown and light pink on the belly.
Wow.
Okay, done. Next I will paint the snail. The snail will be brown, red, and light. Pink, I will paint it in pink color. You also try with me. Okay, I finished painting. Now I will re-sketch, as before, because the paint is stuck on the sketch. My drawing is complete. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.